now we are that far that we are able to publish something. So I have edited the topic in the code in here. Yeah, and that was published when I reset the board. I'll reset it once and then publish and go and have a look at what's coming in here. And it's publishing, just a moment, it's taking that topic or another topic. But anyway, it's publishing in here, the message, which is then the hello from TK2 board, embed OS, and so on. So that's the message. So, and then we'll have a look at what to do next. And what to do next is explained on the lab instruction sheet. The lab instruction side. So with this example code, we were able to publish something when we just made everything with these settings. Like earlier, we have done for the MQTT box, we made the same settings on the more or less in the embed app JSON. And then we got the microcontroller code working. And then what is the next task? So from this first one, it's better to take some screenshot image, save it, and write a few lines of comments that what you have done. And then we go to take a variable value into the MQTT message. So now you need to edit the code. I'm not giving you, or you can't find from our repositories on the embed OS, you can't find a complete code. But you need to edit it like this. So there is already these settings in there. That there is an MQTT broker, which is the socket address, and then there is the socket, and the client is then established on the socket, and get host by name. You take the broker host name from the app JSON. And that goes to the MQTT broker. And then still for the MQTT broker, you set the port number. So that's already there in the code. And then also we make a data, which is the MQTT bucket connect data. So which is used when it is connecting the broker. And this is done in the embed operating system, their MQTT class. And then there is a method on setting the version and things like that. So also the client ID is taken from the app JSON. That was already there in your program, but now you need to add there a few lines. Think about where in the code and how you make a structure of your code. But I'm defining here that I have a sensor value. It's an integer, and I'm giving it just a number value 1, 2, 3. And I establish a character the array, and in that character array, I'm printing with this string print into that character array, this string up to here. So it's taking the sensor value is, and then there is an integer, and the integer is taken from here, and it's that 1, 2, 3. And then that's already there in the code, more or less. And then you connect the broker with the data, and then you publish the embed config app, the topic taken from that file, the embed app JSON, the MQTT topic, and you publish the message. And the message was this buffer. And the buffer was defined with the string in here. And then that was inside the while loop, so it's better to put there a timer. It's not like publishing all the time to the broker. So this one, that you will be first able to publish like a number value, and then you need to modify it, that you will be able to read your sensor value in there. But try first to publish this number value like it is done in here.